Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Composer and using Composer how to install dependencies for your project. So let's get started. First open up your terminal, type sudo apt get install Composer, hit enter, type your password, then hit enter, press Y, then hit enter. So it's installing Composer globally in your local machine, which means you can use Composer to install dependencies anywhere in your local machine. So it's installed it. Let's check the version. To check the version, type Composer space -v, hit enter. See, the Composer is successfully installed in your local machine and the version is 1.6.3. It's a stable version. So the next thing is how to install dependencies. So dependencies is a packages for your project. You need a special requirement like sending mails, connecting your project to the database. So in my case I need a PHP mailer, which is a package to send mail from my local machine to the server. Okay, so how do where do we get the packages? Okay, it's very easy. uh, First go to the website getcomposer.org. So visit this link, browse packages. It is where you can browse your packages and copy the code and using Composer to install the dependencies for your project. In my case I need a PHP mailer, so type in your case you need a different package for your projects. So in my case I need a PHP mailer, so type PHP mailer. Let's see, there is a lot of PHP mailing packages, so I'm gonna go with the first one. So here you can see the different versions of this package. Let's go with the first one. The easiest way to install the package in your project is just copy this code, go to your project directory. In my case my project directory is PHP. Click here, just right click, open in terminal. See, just paste the code here, then hit enter. Now it will take some time to install the package in your whoa, it's super fast I think. Okay, see, it's create a vendor folder where the Composer is installed all the dependencies in your project. Okay, see the vendor, see it's all the needed package in order to the mailing system to work in my project. The main thing is a PHP mailer. These are the dependencies. These are the dependencies to for the mailer to work. Okay, so what Composer do is it will automatically install these dependencies for this PHP mailer. In order to work the PHP mailer, these packages are needed, so it automatically find out the packages and install it for you. Okay, you don't need to browse packages or um, you know type start coding from the scratch. It's take a lot of time to finish your project, so Composer is install the dependencies for you. Okay, this is composer do. um, I hope you enjoy this video. Try it yourself. If you find out any errors, comment it below. Thank you. I will see you on the next video.